Oh, hey there. Here we are. We're opening up, getting ready for our next big trip. And you know what? A lot of people have asked us how we mounted our Alubox to our trailer. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how we did that. We did it inside the garage with the door closed because the weather was bad. But stay with us as I show you how we mounted it. And we'll take a peek at the finished product when we're done. Stay tuned. As you've seen in previous videos, we've got Aluboxes that we use for storage on top of Carrie's Jeep. And on one side we had two of these good size ones. I don't even know the size of it. I mean, it's pretty big. It's like 3 feet long.
It's like 73 liters or something like that.
Yeah, and we've always had them. The one is bolted to the roof rack, and then this one sat on top of the other one because they are stackable, and we'd strap it down. The problem is it was hard to get to the box underneath. The thing is really awkward with a lot of weight in it. So we came up with a new idea. We're going to drill holes and bolt this to the top of our trailer. It's going to be way easier for accessing what's in it. And we're going to take advantage of things like our annex if it's wet at certain times, certain trips. We can throw it in here, clean out the box later. It's gonna be just so much easier. So stay with us while we mount this thing. So I'm drilling small holes, and it's always a good idea when you're drilling through aluminum or steel, any metal really, to start with a small drill bit and then gradually work your way up in size to the large thickness to match this bolt. You don't just start with that because it doesn't work very good. So getting smarter, I guess, with old age. We're gonna go up another size with the drill bit. This one might be a little warm, so put that there. So same holes, bigger bit. And when we drill holes in the trailer, which we're gonna do in a little while, same thing. Start with a small bit, work your way up. Okay, so we figured out exactly where we wanted it to sit, and we marked it with blue painter's tape. So we knew exactly where to set it, because now the next step is Carrie's gonna get on a stool and mark where the holes meet the trailer. That way we know where to drill in the trailer, and then we'll continue on. Okay, to make these guys watertight, we're siliconing the bolts to be on the safe side. So one on that side and then one on this side. silicone spreads out when it gets compressed. We've got a locking washer going on the bottom side with a nut. Cinch that guy down tight.
Since I can't get around you.
We're putting on extra nuts, and that is what's going to
Lift the box.
lift the box above the trailer body, so there's actually an air gap so we can clean underneath it and hopefully rust doesn't collect. So we literally, when I drill the holes in the trailer, bolts go in. Well, there's going to be another big washer, and then these bolts go through the trailer, and then we lock it down on the bottom side. And again with the silicone at that time as well. Well, now that the silicone is dry, it sat in the garage for overnight, and the weather is great today, so outside we are. Mounted on 6 bolts and spaced out underneath, so if it gets wet it dries out, so no rust, keeps it clean, works great. This thing is solid, and Aluboxes themselves are waterproof and dustproof. Wonderful product. You can lock them and feel good about what you're storing in there. This box has a lot of room, holds many things for us. So hope you liked watching that.
Like and subscribe.
Hope it inspires you to do your own project. Don't be afraid to drill. Well, we cut out this indoor-outdoor carpet to fit in here. Good padding. Helps keep everything organized and no rattling. Works great. You can pull it out and clean it.